51. 15 men can complete a work in 25 days. 25 women can do the same work in 40 days. If all the 15 men and 25 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? Okay. 15 men, 15 men. 25 women, 25 women. People are saying, correct? Directly concentrate on number of days. 25 days, 40 days, LCM, 200, yes, 8 units, 5 units, together will do 13 units divided by 13. Third cannot be your answer. Come on. Third cannot be your answer. You have to calculate this. Otherwise, denominator is 13. In answer also, your denominator should be 13. So, third eliminated. Numerator is ending with 0. Let's identify that. 3 into 5 ends with plus 4. Eliminated. 3 into 0 plus 5. Eliminated. Fourth final. Otherwise, you need to calculate this fellow. Next. A sum of money invested at a certain rate of simple interest per annum amounts to 14,522 in 7 years, 18,906 in 11 years. 7 years and 11 years gap. So 4 years interest we already received, which will be difference between both the numbers, correct? So take the difference between both the numbers, 906, 522. 384, 18, 14, 4. So 4 years interest is 4,384. Per year interest will be divided by 4 only. 1, 0, 9, 6. This is 1 year interest. To calculate sum invested, which is our principal, from 14,522, which is amount after 7 years, you have to subtract 7 years interest. That is 14,522 amount minus 7 years interest. 7 into 1 year interest, 1,096. Clear? Come on. Treat this number 1,096 as 1100 minus 4. Can I do that for simplification? 7 times is there. 7,700 minus 28. Correct? This is all a negative number, kada? Minus of minus. That plus is added to this number. It becomes 14,550 minus 7,700. Observe last 2 digits. Observe last 2 digits. These two eliminated. 145 minus 77 ends with 7 or 8? 8. So answer must end with 850. Third option. Done? Right. Now we have to find out this value. Cosecant and secant, sine and cosecant, cos and secant, sine and cosecant. Okay. Now, if you have cos theta and then secant theta, 1. Sine theta and cosecant theta, 1. So theta value here we have 47, but here it is different. This is 44 and this is different. So you have to try to make both the theta values same. So for that purpose, secant 133, can I write it as 180 minus 47? And then this cosecant 136, I will write it as cosecant 180 minus 44. Correct? 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, which values are positive? Only sine and cosecant. So secant should become negative, right? So this becomes minus of secant 47 degrees. And cosecant value, second quadrant, is a positive number only. So this is converted to cosecant 44 degrees. You understand this point? So the first one is positive or negative? Negative. Cos theta minus secant, cos theta into secant theta. This is minus 1. Sin theta into cosecant theta. Plus 1. Answer 0. We were given x minus 1 by x value and asked to calculate x power 8 minus 1 by x power 8. First of all, concentrate on this fellow. Can it be written in the form of a square minus b square form? Where a value is x power 4. B value 1 by x power 4. Correct? So let's convert into a plus b into a minus b form. That becomes x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 into x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Again, this fellow can be written as a square minus b square form, where a value x square, b value 1 by x square. So it becomes again x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. Again, this also can be written out in the form of a square minus b square. So that becomes x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. We already know this fellow. How much is that? Root. So this is root 6. How do we get x square plus 1 by x square when we have x minus 1 by x? Square. When you take square of this number, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to root 6 whole square, that is 6. Minus 2 goes to the other side, which is equal to, so this value is 8. Again, when you take square of this number, you get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equal to 8 square 64. 2 goes to the other side. So x power 4 plus 1 by x square, 1 by x power 4, it becomes, this is 62. Following? And we need to identify x plus 1 by x value. Are you okay? So x plus 1 by x is equal to under root of x minus 1 by x whole square. What do you get? Under root value. Otherwise, x plus 1 by x is equal to under root of x square plus 1 by x square. We already have this number. Plus 2. X into 1 by x gets cancelled. A square plus b square plus 2ab format. Correct. Matladali. Under root of x square plus 1 by x square. Undi kadamma. 8 plus 2. Root 10. What is this value? Root 60. Root 60. Root 60 can be written as 4 into 15. Root 4 comes out. It becomes 8 into 2. 62 into 16 into root 15. Are you okay? Ends with into root 15 kada. Every option is having root 15. Matladali. And previous number should end with 2. How many options are there? 2 options are there. Correct? Right. Tappadu cheyalsinde. 16 times in the sense, can I go with 15 times plus 1 time? 10 times? 620. 5 times 310. 620, 310. 930 plus one more time 62. Total 992 root 15. First option. Over? Come on. Right. Sum of 3 powers. Sum of 3 powers. When you have 3 powers, every number is a 3 multiple. Sum also should be a multiple of 3. Basic common sense. Can it be first option? No. Can it be second option? No. Can it be third? 3 multiple or not? Yes. Can it be fourth? Fourth option, is it a 3 multiple or not? Yes. That also can be your answer. Kada? Okay. Now, answer is in either third option or fourth option. When you are taking powers of 3, whether it is 3, 3 square, calculate how much? 3 cube, 3 power 4. Are you getting even numbers or odd numbers? When you have 2 odd numbers, sum of 2 odd numbers is? Sum of 2 odd numbers? Sum of 3 odd numbers? Okay. How many such numbers are here? When you have 8 odd numbers, sum is going to be even or odd? Answer over. Third. You understand? We verified 3 multiple because all are 3 powers. And then sum of 8 odd numbers must be an even number. A thief is spotted by a constable from 220 meters. So thief is here and constable is here. Between them there is a gap of 200 meters. When the constable starts chasing, the thief also starts running. So in what direction both are moving? Same direction, obviously, right? So thief will always try to escape from the constable. So both are moving in the same direction. The speed of the constable is 8 km per hour and thief runs at a speed of 6 km per hour. Constable speed is more than thief's speed. Definitely he will be caught by the constable. Then how far will the thief be able to run before he is overtaken? Now can you tell me their speeds are 8 km and 6 km per hour? Yes. Both are starting in the same direction from the same time, right? From same time, from different positions, different places, but both started at the same time. Assume he will be caught at this place. So time to reach constable this destination is same as time taken by the thief to reach this place only. Yes? When the time is same, distance ratio should be equal to speed ratio. Time constant ga unte, distance is directly proportional to speed kada. So time same undi. Kabatti, E distance ratio, rendu same avali. One is 8 parts. This is 6 parts. Difference is equal to, if 2 parts is 200 meters, 6 parts is going to be 600 meters. 8 parts is going to be 800 meters. Then you assume the question is to identify distance traveled by constable or thief. 600 meters, second option. అర్థమైందా? కానిస్టేబుల్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేశాడు? 800. థీఫ్కి కానిస్టేబుల్కి ఆల్రెడీ ఎంత ఉంది? 200. తర్వాత ఎంత చేశాడు? 600. మొత్తం 800. కానిస్టేబుల్ 800, థీఫ్ 800. See, one value is constant, and if you take the relation among other variables, if time is constant, distance and speed both are directly proportional. If speed is constant, distance and time both are inversely proportional. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇద్దరు సేమ్ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నారు. ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుందా తక్కువ టైం పడుతుందా? మీరు బైక్ మీద వెళ్ళట్లా, ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇద్దరు సేమ్ వెహికల్, 2 వెహికల్స్లో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు, సేమ్ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నారు. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేయాలి. సో విల్ ఇట్ టేక్ మోర్ టైం ఫర్ యూ ఆర్ లెస్ టైం ఫర్ యూ? So to cover more distance it takes more time, to cover less distance it takes less time. So proportionality directly. If distance is constant, both of you need to cover same distance, say from Amirpet to KPHP. You travel with more speed, will it take more time or less time? So if distance is constant, speed and time both are inversely proportional. Here in our question we use this. Because time is constant, distance is directly proportional to speed. Speed's ratio we already have 8 and then 6. Distance ratio also should be 8:6. If 2,500 laptops were sold by the store in the month, then what is the difference between number of laptops sold by company A and then company C? A and C, what is the difference? 32%, right? What is 100% value? 2,500. 1%, 3225. That's the value we have to identify. 425s, 825s, 200, 1225s, like that. In 32, how many 4s are there? 8. Value 800. Suhani pays tax at the rate of 30% on her entire income of 90,000. Ritika pays tax at the rate of 40% on her entire income of Y. If the overall tax rate on their combined income comes to 37%, what is the value of Y? First case, how much percent he is paying? 30. Second one, 40. Overall 37. If you take allegation, you will get first case principal and then second case principal's ratio. 40, 37, 3. 37, 37. So we already know 3 parts value. How much is this? What is the principal in first case? 90,000. If 3 parts is 90,000, 1 part 30,000. 7 parts, 7 into 30. 2,10,000. Successive discounts of 12%, 20%, 25% is equal to single discount of. You start with 100. Your initial market price becomes 100. Discount percentages 12, 20, 25. A basic question to you all. Can I change the order? Can I change the order? Yes. In percentages, order has no importance. You can change in a way whichever is convenient to you. First, I'll give 25%. How much it becomes? It becomes 75. Then I want to give 20%. 10%, 7.5. 20%, 15. Next, 60. Last one, 12%. What is 1%? 0.6. 10% is 6. 1%, 0.6 into 12. 7.2. Then what do you need to do? Final question is single discount, right? Tell me next. Add all these 3 negative numbers. You don't have to subtract 7.2 from 60. If you do that, you get 52.8. Single discount is difference between both the numbers. Matladali. which is equal to 47.2. You actually don't have to calculate this. Instead, from the beginning, whatever you are subtracting, that itself is the discount. So 25, 15, 40 plus 7.2, 47.2. Directly we can answer. Clear? What is the total surface area? Whole surface area of the cone of base radius 6 and height 8. There is a cone and we were asked to calculate total surface area. Curved surface area is pi r l, slant height. But we were asked to calculate whole surface area, meaning total surface area. To that we have to add bottom area also, right? Bottom shape, circle area, pi r square, correct? Right. So now radius is 6, height is 8. Observe the triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse must be 10. Pi 22 by 7 into 6 into 10 plus pi r square 22 by 7, 6 into 6. 22 by 7 is common. 6 is also common. So I want to take those two numbers common. 6 into 22, 132 by 7 into 10 here, 6 here. 10 plus 6, 16. Yes? 7 multiples are there, so we have to calculate decimal value. Fine. 16 times, 15 times plus 1 time. Matladali. 10 times 1320. 5 times half of this number 660. 1 time 132. 10 times plus 5 times plus 1 time 16 times. Are you okay? Right. Which is 2112 divided by 7. 2112 by 7. What is 3 times of denominator? 21. 300 times is 2100. Apart from 2100, we just have only 12, right? That will be only 1 time. So answer will be 301 point something. Go to options. Third option. Clear? Sin theta value is given. Find the value of tan theta minus cot theta. Sin theta 4 by 5. This is 4. This is 5. I am representing in a triangle. So base 3. Tan theta 4 by 3 minus cot theta 3 by 4. Denominator 12. 4 into 4. 3 into 3. 16 minus 9. 7 by 12, second option. Instead of solving the equation, I'll just go with substituting the value. But make sure denominator cannot be equal to 0. If you substitute x is equal to 1, denominator becomes 0. So you cannot take x is 1. You can take any value, but need to make sure denominator cannot be equal to 0. So for that purpose, I'll take x is equal to 2. 2 powers 4, 16 minus 2 into 4, 8 plus 1 divided by 2 square, 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. How much is this? 9 by 1, which is 9, correct? Let's substitute value. 2 square. 4, 2x, 4 plus 1. అయిపోయింది. Second option is 10. Difference between first option and second option is variable, number, constant 1 we have, in second option 2. So 1 more you will get. అర్థమైంది కదా? No other option will give you 9. Pi by 6, 180 by 6, 30. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Secant 30. Secant 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. 3 by root 3. Simplified value root 3. Fourth option. Number of candidates selected from Maharashtra during the period under review is approximately what percent of number of selected from Delhi during this period? Maharashtra, selected candidates from Maharashtra. These are the numbers. Approximately what percent of number of selected candidates from Delhi during this period? Selected candidates from Delhi. Sum of these values. Let's calculate. 48 plus 82. కిందకెళ్ళి టీ దాగొచ్చిన పోనీ లోపు 48 plus 82, 130, 130, 70, 200. Round figure, remember. 94 plus 90, 184, 200, 384. Are you okay? 85, 65, 150, 150 plus 60, 210, 210 plus 70, 280, 280 plus 84, 364. Question is, 364 is what percent of 384? Percentage into 100. This is what we have to identify, correct? First go to options. Fine. All are above 90. Now let me identify what is difference between numerator and denominator. 20. What is 10%? 38.4. 5%. 19.2, which is equal to 5%, correct? But how much do we have to subtract? How much we have to subtract from the denominator to make our numerator? 20. 20 is little bit more than this number, right? So this also should be little bit more than this 5%. That may be 5.1 or 5.2 or 5.3, any stupid number. Is it okay? If you subtract this fellow, answer will be less than 95% or more than 95%? Less than 95 but very close to 95. Now go to options. Come on. Fourth option. Done. The side of an equilateral triangle is increased by 34%. Then by what percentage will its area change? Area in the sense, is it a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional? 2-dimensional. Volume 3-dimensional. Right. When you have a single value changing for 2 times in percentage concept, we use a plus b plus ab by 100. Now the side is increased by 34%. A value is 34, b also 34. A plus b plus ab by 100. 34 square by 100. We need to identify 34 square. Do we know 35 square? Telsa? Enta? 12, 25. To get 34 square, you have to subtract 35 and 34 from this number. Total you have to subtract 69. Subtract 100, add 31 later. Subtract 100, add 31. 1156. Divided by 100. 11.56. 68 plus 11.56. 79.56. ఇది అర్థమైందా? If you want to calculate 36 square, to this you have to add 35 and 36. Both together 71. Then it becomes 1296. Okay na? నేను ఏమి చేయాల, a plus 1 whole square, a minus 1 whole square. ఇదే నేను చేసింది. మీకు a square తెలుసండి, a plus 1 whole square కావాలి. ఒక్కసారి ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఇది a square plus 2a plus a square plus ఏమన్నారు, దాన్ని నేను a plus a అనుకోవచ్చా, ప్లస్ ఇది. ఈ a స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ మీకు తెలుసు, దానికి ఏం యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, a అండ్ దెన్ a plus 1, ఆ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. మీకు a minus 1 whole square కావాలి. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి, a స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2a ప్లస్ 1, మైనస్ 2aని మైనస్ a ప్లస్ 1 అని అనుకుంటా. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తున్నా, మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే a ప్లస్ 1 మైనస్ 1, అంటే ఈ a స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూలో నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ a and subtracting a minus 1. That's what I am doing. Okay na? So square ends with 5, you already know. Square ends with 0 also you know. Before this, after this, easy to calculate. Before this, after this, easy to calculate by adding something or subtracting something. Okay na? ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి ఇప్పటికి? ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి? 6. 6 అయిపోయినాయి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 10. ఇంకా మిగిలింది 4. కింద మీద కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు తర్వాత. అర్థం కల మీకు? 4తో ఎండ్ అయ్యేది, 6తో ఎండ్ అయ్యేది దీని నుంచి డిరైవ్ చేయొచ్చు. 9తో ఎండ్ అయ్యేది, 1తో ఎండ్ అయ్యేది దీని నుంచి డిరైవ్ చేయొచ్చు. 6 వాల్యూస్ ఈజీగా చేసేయచ్చు, మిగిలినవి 4. ABC can do a piece of work in 30, 40, 50 days respectively, beginning with A. ABC do the work alternatively, then in how many days will the work be finished? 30, 40, 50. LCM 600. A does 20, B does 15, C does 12. Beginning with A, ABC are doing work on alternative days, correct? First day 20, second day 15, third day. So is every day work same? No, every 3 days work is same. 47 units of work will be done in 3 days. Nearest multiple of 47. 47 10 times will be 470. Emma, ఇంకా ఎంత ఉంది? 130. అవునా? 3 times ఉందా 130లో? 47 3 times ఉందా? లేదు, 2 times కదా? కరెక్ట్. 470 10 times, 2 times will be 94. 564. 564 యూనిట్స్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ తీసుకున్నాము? ఇది ఎన్ని టైమ్స్? 10 times. ఇది ఎన్ని టైమ్స్? 2 times. మొత్తం అంటే 3 days into 12 అంటే 36 days అనే కదా. ఇప్పుడు 37th డే ఎవరు వర్క్ చేస్తారు? ఏ. ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ చేస్తున్నాడు? 20. దట్ మీన్స్ 584 units of work is done in 37 days only. Come on. 38th day who will come? B will do 15 units. If you add 15, it becomes 595 units. Already how many days are over? 38 days over. 38 days over, correct? How many units more we have? 5 కాదు, ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా 1. అంతేనా? 9 కదా ఇక్కడ. 15 యాడ్ చేస్తే 9 kada. Avuna? Still how many more units are there? Will it take one full day? So answer will be in 38 something, but less than 39. Avuna? Go to options. Only one. A power 5 plus 1 by a power 5 will be equal to a square plus 1 by a square into a cube plus 1 by a cube minus of a plus 1 by a. We already know this number. This is 7. Square value. If this is k square minus 2 kada, k square 49 minus 2 47. If this is k, a cube plus 1 by a cube will be k cube minus 3k, correct? K cube 343 minus 3 into 7 21, which will be equal to 322. Are you okay? First number 47 into 322 ends with 4. Negative number ends with 7. 4 minus 7, one option eliminated. Ante kada? Okay, fine. 322. Is it a multiple of 7? ఓరి మీ దుంపదేగా, ఇది ఇలానే కదా వచ్చింది. 343 మైనస్ 21 కదా. 343 7 మల్టిపులేనా, 21 కూడా 7 మల్టిపులేనా, డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా 7 మల్టిపులే కదా. దాన్ని ఇంకొక పిచ్ నెంబర్ ఏదో 47 48 49 ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్ పిచ్ది, అది దాంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసినాం. వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ కూడా 7 మల్టిప్లే కదా. మైనస్ మళ్ళీ 7 మల్టిప్లే ఉంది కదా, అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏమవ్వాలి? 7 మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాలి. అవునా? రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ చూడండి. 7 61, 7 8 56, 52, 7 7 49, 3 and then 7 37. Is it a 7 multiple? Eliminated. Third option 7 2s 14, పక్కన 52 ఉంది. 7 7s 49, 3 పక్కన ఏముంది? 7 37. 7 multiple కాదు. Fourth option final answer. The length of three sides of triangle are 30, 42 and the next which of the following is correct? Okay. So sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side kada. Avuna? Already two sides telusu. Enta 30, 42. Sum enta? That 72 must be definitely more than x. Avuna? Second option ayye chance unda? పిల్లలు సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? నో. ఈ రెండు ఎలిమినేట్. ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? ఉందా లేదా? ఉంది. ఎక్స్ లెస్ దెన్ 72నే కదా. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కదా. రైట్. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు తీసుకుంటా. సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ షుడ్ బి మోర్ దెన్ 30. Otherwise, let me take 30 and then x. 30 plus x should be more than 42. 30 goes to the other side. X must be more than 12. X must be more than 12. Can it be fourth option? Equal undi kada ikkada. Eliminate అయిపోయింది. Answer first option. X must be more than 12. But x must be less than 72. The largest 5-digit number exactly divisible by 88. 88 తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది అని అంటే 88 can be written as 8 into 11 కదా. So first of all it should be 8 multiple and also 11 multiple. 11 multiple verify చేద్దాం. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4, 22. 9 plus 8, Is it 11 multiple? Eliminate. Second option, it is definitely a multiple of 11. వెరిఫై చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. లాస్ట్ 3 digits అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. 990. Is it 8 multiple? Is it 8 multiple? Eliminate. 9 plus 9. 18 plus 8. 26. 9 plus 6. 15. Is it 11 multiple? Yes. Observe last 3 digits. Is it 8 multiple? Is it 8 multiple? Final answer. ఇదే ఇంకా ఫోర్త్ కూడా వెరిఫై చేయక్కర్లేదు. ఇంకా చేయాలి అని ఉత్సాహం ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్కి థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్కి ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్కి ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంతమ్మా? 10. ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర 8 మల్టిపుల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దానికి ఇంకొక 8 కానీ లేకపోతే 8 మల్టిపుల్ కానీ యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడే కదా ఓవరాల్గా మనకి ఫైనల్ నంబర్ అనేది 8 మల్టిపుల్ అయ్యేది. కానీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది? 10 అనేది 8 మల్టిపులా? మరి 8 మల్టిపుల్కి 10 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ 8 మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుందా? అవ్వదు. ఎలిమినేట్. Ram sells a suitcase to Mohan at a 20% profit. Mohan sells it to Shyam at a 40% profit. If Shyam pays 1430 for it, and then the price at which Ram bought is fine. Ram 100 కొన్నాడు. ఎవరు కమ్మాడు? మోహన్. ఎంతకి? 20% ప్రాఫిట్ అంటే 120K కదా. Now Mohan sells it to Shyam at a profit of 40% on 120, right? 10% into 4, 10% 12, 48, 48 profit, 168, correct? Okay. 4, 14, 30 is equal to 168. Avuna? 1% value will be that. And we need 100%. So into 100. Avuna? Avuna? ఈ నంబర్ చూడగానే ఏమనిపించింది? Product of first two digit prime numbers 11 into 13. అవునా? ఆ 143 కాకుండా మిగిలిన జీరోసే కదా. అవునా? ఒక్కసారి డినామినేటర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా ఇందులో? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత పర్సెంట్ పెరిగింది అంటే 140% అయినట్లే కదా. 140% ఆఫ్ 120 కదా. 147 మల్టిపులే కదా. అట్లా వచ్చాను నేను. డినామినేటర్లో 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? న్యూమరేటర్లో 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? న్యూమరేటర్లో 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? మరి ఆన్సర్ ఇంటీజర్లో వస్తుందా డెసిమల్లో వస్తుందా? ఆప్షన్కి వెళ్ళండి. అయిపోయింది. డెసిమల్లో ఉన్నది ఒకటే. Are you following? In a bag containing red, green, blue, the ratio of red, blue, green are in the ratio 749. If the total number of pens in a bag was 320, how many of them were red? Total, how many parts are there? 20 parts, correct? 320 is divided into 20 parts. Each part is equal to divided by 20. And the question is to identify red. Order is red, blue, green. Red are first. How many parts? Into 7. How many times? Ends with 16 into 7 ends with how many? Over. Working 5 hours a day, A can complete a task in 8 days. Per day, 5 hours. Avuna? Like that, A can complete the work in 8 days. 8 into 5, how many hours? So I am converting every information to hours. A can complete the work in 40 hours. B working 6 hours a day and can complete the work in 10 days. B can complete the work in LCM 120. Per hour work 3 units, per hour work 2 units. Now working 8 hours a day, they can jointly complete the work. AB together can do how many units? 5 units in how much time? 1 hour. But how many hours are they doing? 8 into 5. So in 8 hours, both A and B will do 40 units of work. To complete the work, divided by 40. How many days? 3 days. Second option. This is per hour work. Ravi can do a work in 40 days. Sudha can do the same piece of work in 60 days. If they work on alternative days, starting with Sudha on the first day, then in how many days will the work be completed? Sudha is starting, so let me take Sudha as the first person. And she can complete the work in 60 days. Ravi can do the work in 40. LCM 120. 2 units, 3 units. First day Sudha will do 2 units. Second day Ravi will do 3 units. So 5 units of work is done in how many days? 2 days. 120 units is direct 5 multiple only. How many times? 5 how many times will give you 120? 24 times. 24 into 2. 48 days. In exactly 48 days, total work 120 units can be completed. Yes. An arc of length 23.1 centimeters subtends an angle. Is 180 కాదు. ఎంత ఉంది మీకు? 18 degrees. Angle at the center. What is the area of the circle? Where pi is 22/7. Fine. So arc making an angle 18 degrees. Here it is 18 degrees. Length of the arc is given. Okay. If it is full circle, what is this called? Circumference. 2 pi r. 2 pi r should be the length of the total arc for full circle, where angle is 360 degrees. But our angle is 18. So you have to convert that to radians. Okay. That will be theta by 360. What is theta value given here? So that I will mention it as 18. This is going to be length of the arc, which is equal to 23.1. Okay. 2 pi. Radius we want to calculate. 2 into pi. 22/7. First of all, 2 180. Okay now. 18 10 times. Don't change it. Keep it as it is. 11 2 times. 11 2.1 time. Yes. 10 goes to the other side. 21. 7 goes to the other side. 147. Radius is equal to 147 divided by 2. Ardhamainda? Question is to identify area of the circle. Circle area. Pi r square 22/7 r square 147/2 147/2. First of all 2 11 times. 7 21 times. Okay now. Decimal lone undi sachinayi kada. Because of this 11, answer should be 11 multiple. Because of this 21, answer should be 3 multiple as well. 3 multiple as well, correct? 147. Do you have 3 multiple? Hey. 1 plus 4 plus 7, 12 kada. 3 multiple. 21 also. 3 multiple. Answer should be 9 multiple. Because of this 11, answer should be 11 multiple. Avuna? Meeku opikunte 11 into 21 into 147 cheskondi. Nakaithe ledu. Nenu verify chesta. 11 multiple and 9 multiple. Okay na? 8 plus 1. 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5, 6, 7 consecutive numbers, middle number multiplied by 3, 18. Leftover value 8. 9 multiple? No. 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 5, 6, 7 consecutive numbers, middle number 6 into 3, 18. So this is 11 multiple, 9 multiple. Okay, hold it. We'll see that later. 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5. Is it 9 multiple? No. 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that is also 9 multiple. So only 2 eliminated. Now let me take 11 multiple into picture. 1 plus 9 plus 8, 18. 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5, 18 minus 18. So this is 11 multiple. This can be your answer. Hold it. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 8. Okay. 5 plus 9, 15 plus 5, 20. Difference. Not 11. There is only one 9 multiple and 11 multiple, which is second option final. లేదంటే మొత్తం చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ABC run simultaneously starting from a point around a circular track of length 1200 meters at respective speeds of 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second, 6 meter per second. A and B run in the same direction while C runs in the opposite direction to the other two. Find how much time will they meet for the first time. First time. Right. Circular track. Two people are moving in this direction. The other is moving in this direction. Okay now. First two people are moving in the same direction where their speeds are 2 meter per second and 4 meter per second. Time to meet each other is when they are moving in the same direction. Distance between them I can consider as one full track, which is equal to 1200. ఇద్దరు ఒకే దగ్గర ఉన్నారమ్మా. ఇద్దరికి గ్యాప్ ఎంత? 0. మరి డిస్టెన్స్ 0 అన్నారు అనుకోండి, టైం t is equal to డిస్టెన్స్ బై రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ వేయాలి. కానీ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమవుతున్నారు? 0 అన్నారు. మరి టైం ఏమవుతుంది? 0. కానీ మూవ్ అయిన తర్వాత కదా మీట్ అవ్వాలి. మరి డిస్టెన్స్ 0 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. ఇద్దరు ఒకే దగ్గర ఉన్నారు. They both are at the starting point. Now if I ask you what is the distance between them, I can take one full track. One full track difference kuda teeskochu kada. Enta? 1200. In which direction they are moving? Relative speed. S1 minus S2. 4 minus 2. Answer. 600 ఏంటి? దేనిలో? సెకండ్స్ లో. ఎన్ని మినిట్స్? 10 minutes. సో ఫస్ట్ 2 మెంబర్స్ మీట్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే 10 minutes అవుతుంది. థర్డ్ వాడు కూడా మీట్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళిద్దరు కూడా మీట్ అవ్వాల్సిందే కదా. కమ్ ఆన్. ఇఫ్ ఆల్ 3 people are together, first 2 also should be together. First 2 people can meet each other only at an interval of 10 minutes. So answer can be 10 minutes or less than that. First time meet అవటానికి ఎంత టైము? సెకండ్ టైంకి 20, థర్డ్ టైంకి, ఫోర్త్ టైంకి, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో థర్డ్ పర్సన్ కూడా కలుస్తాడు. అంతే కదా. సో ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి ఎ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్, గో టు ఆప్షన్స్. దెర్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ వన్. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటే ఇది టైం టు మీట్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ అండ్ సెకండ్ పర్సన్, టైం టు మీట్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్, టైం టు మీట్ సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్. ఇవి కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేద్దాం. డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్, బోత్ ఆర్ మూవింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్ ఈస్ 1200. Second and third also both are moving opposite to each other. One full circle difference. First person speed 2. Third person speed, in what direction they are moving? Opposite direction. S1 plus S2. Enta? 8. How much is this? 150 seconds. Come on, pillalu. Second and third are also moving opposite to each other. Relative speed. S1 plus S2, how much? 10, which is 120. If all three people should meet together, answer is LCM of these three numbers only. LCM 600 seconds, which is equal to 10 minutes. ఇది యాక్చువల్ సొల్యూషన్. నేనేమంటున్నాను, ఫస్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది కదా. ఆన్సర్ అనేది దాని మల్టిపుల్లో ఉండాలి. యూ కెనాట్ సే ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈ 600. లక్కీగా మనకి ఇక్కడ 600 అని వచ్చింది, బట్ ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 600 బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ two members meet together for the first time after 600 seconds. So for every 600 seconds multiple, they keep meet each other. Somewhere around in 600 multiple, all three people will meet together. Okay na? Right.